already know that tourism, different types of tourism, business tourism, leisure, of course culture. So we're here, and it is afternoon, and of course it's season of capital. Yes, of course I'm here in the beautiful, beautiful. I am already beautiful on beautiful road. My God, so I'm about to have some nice little appetizers here at the. This is an exclusive, high-end, exclusive location here in. But I'm going to show you one of my yachts. Why not show you? So why not? Yeah. Why not? Why not Montego Bay, Jamaica? As much as there's so much negativity about Montego Bay, it's just like the beautiful, one of the beautiful cities that represent tourism, the best of tourism, I would say. So, I'm having indulge in bami is made of cassava, and I'm having apples. One of my favorite seafood. And this one is curry, okra, carrot, cabbage, all the stuff inside, and coconut. Nice.